stop with the "you have created too many Facebook pages" error, even when you have tried all the solutions that is out there? Well, you don't have to worry anymore because I've got the perfect solution for you. In this video, I will share 3 methods that works 100% to bypass this limit and create as many pages as you want. The very first method I'll be sharing with you works perfectly well with both Android and iPhone. So if you're using an Android, you're using an iPhone, the method one I'll be sharing will work for you. The second method works only for Android phone, while the third method, which is the ultimate, it works for both Android and for iPhone. So what I advise you to do is that you watch this video from beginning to the end. Please, before you complain it's not working, carefully watch the video from beginning to the end and then choose the one you want to go with. All I'm assuring you is that this will help you solve that issue. If you watch this video to the end and practice, you will definitely be able to bypass your created too many pages error on Facebook. So having said this, let's dive straight into the very first method. This first method is the normal way everybody tries to do it, but then I'm going to show you something different that you can do. So when you come into your Facebook profile just like this, you tap on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. It's going to open up to your Facebook page interface. So once it opens up to this interface, you want to scroll down to pages. So tap on pages and then go ahead and click on create right here. To click on get started, then you give your page a name. So I'll tag this army page. Okay, just any name at all you want to give your page is fine, as far as it reflects what you do or what you want for your page. So you tap on next. Over here you want to choose the category of your page. So for me, I'm just going to go ahead and select marketing agency. Just type in everything. You can choose as many category as you want. Okay, so I'm just going to go with marketing agency and then I'll tap on create here. Saying I've created my page, I was expecting to see you've created too many pages. This is happening because of something I did on this page, which I'm still going to share with you on the last method. In your case, if you see that you've created too many pages, what I want you to do is just to simply, where it has written you've created too many pages and whatever, just go ahead and take a screenshot. Come over your page interface. To get to your page interface like this, I want you to go ahead and still take a screenshot. The first screenshot is where you get a message that says you've created too many pages. Now the second screenshot you're going to take is the screenshot of your page interface like this. Once you've done that, the next thing you want to do is to scroll down and then go over to help and support. Tap on help and support. Scroll down to report a problem. So tap on report a problem and then it's going to say you should go back and shake your phone. We don't want to do that. Just follow my step. All right, just scroll down and tap on continue to report a problem. Tap on that continue to report a problem. It's going to start creating the report. So let's hold on. Include complete logs and diagnostics in your report. Information about your device account and these are related to the issue that you're reporting will automatically be included in this report. So it's okay. Go ahead and tap on include. You want to select where the issue is coming from. Of course, it's from the page. So you want to scroll through here and look for pages. So tap on pages right here. It's going to open up to this interface. Inside here, you're going to type in the issue that you're facing. I've written down something on my notepad. I'm going to go over there to copy it now and paste it in here. In the describe the issue, we are just going to paste in that issue. So tap on it and then paste. Okay, tap on it and then paste. Now coming down here, you want to upload the screenshot. Remember, I asked you to take screenshot of the error message and screenshot of your Facebook page interface. So upload from your photo now. We are going to upload those screenshots that we've taken. It's an evidence of what we are trying to say. Then you go ahead again. You see the first one is uploaded here. Go ahead and tap on upload from photo again. So you upload the second screenshot that we took, which is this one. So it has added here. So I want to remove this very first screenshot, which was here. I don't need it. The first screenshot that was here when we came here. So I'm just going to X out. Now this is okay. All you have to do now is to tap on the send icon at the top right of the screen, and you're going to send this report. I'm not going to send the report because I don't have an issue. So go ahead, send the report if you have this issue with your page, and then it takes Facebook 4, 5, 6, 7 days to respond to you. And then if you cannot wait for Facebook for this 5, 6, 7 days to get their response, then come with me to the second method. Like I said, this second method is going to work for Android phone users alone. Remember to watch to the end of the video before you practice anything, please, so you don't make a mistake. All right, so let's head into the second method right now. Get your Google Chrome browser, which is what I have right here on my screen. I'm just going to tap on it, and it's going to open up to this interface. Please make sure that your browser is on the desktop side. To turn it to desktop side, come to the top arrow at the right corner of the screen, just tap on it, and then you have to scroll down. You're going to see desktop side here, toggle on it. Mine is already on desktop side. Okay, so go back, come to the search bar and type in facebook.com. If you've not logged into your Facebook account from the browser before, it's going to ask you to log in. Then you're going to enter your Facebook password and your Facebook username or your email address. That way you're going to log in to your Facebook through your browser. So for me, I've logged into my Facebook before to my browser. That's why it took me straight into Facebook. Now come to this plus sign. When you tap on the plus sign, you're going to see create a post, story, review, live event, page. All right, so you can see page right here. So tap on page, and here it says create a page. So page name is required here. I am at the top left corner of the screen now, page name. So let's put Ami's page here. Category is required. Let's look for a category. Let's say our category is marketing agency. Let's go with that again. Okay, so bio optional, you need to include your bio if this is a page you want to use, but I'm not doing that here because I'm just showing you this for tutorial purpose. So once you've included everything that is needed, you're going to scroll down. Once you're done with this and you scroll down, you're supposed to see create page at the bottom of the page, but I'm not seeing it here. I don't know why. So I'm going to rotate my phone. All right, I'm going to rotate my phone right now so we know if we can get to see it. Okay, the button is right here, so I just try tapping on it. So let's know what happened. Ami's page was created now. You get that? Did you see the message? It says that the page was created. So let me rotate this phone back. So the button will always be at the bottom. So if you can't locate it, just you can rotate your phone just like I did now. Okay. So since you've created Ami's page now, add more details to help people connect with you. So you see how easy it is. So you can use your Android phone to simply create your page. So you can add up every other thing. I'm not going to be doing that in this video. You already know how to finish off your settings, add your website if you have, add your phone number and all of those things, right? This third method I'm about to share with you now is working for both Android and iPhone. If you have an iPhone, you have an Android, and you're finding it hard to create a Facebook page, this one works 100%. You just follow every step I'm going to show you in this video. So let's get into that, the third method right now. If you're getting value so far from this video, I want you to do something for me. Please like this video. If you're yet to subscribe, please subscribe because I have a lot of amazing videos coming your way, and leave a comment in the comment section down below for me. Please share this video to people. It means a lot to me. If you're using an iPhone, get into your app store. If you're using an Android, get into your Google Play Store. Now at the search bar, I want you to search for this app, Speedify. All right, this is a VPN. Just tap on it, it's going to open up. So follow me so you know the exact one you're going to be getting. This particular one here is what you're going to download. I've already downloaded it in my phone. Tap on download to download it to your phone. For me, I've downloaded it already. So once you've downloaded it to your phone, you come with me. This is Speedify right here on my screen. So tap on it. Once you download it, you just open it. All right, so once you open the app, you're going to set up something. This app is very simple to go through and it's going to give you the solution that you need. So what you want to do now is go ahead and agree and continue. Enable pair and share for maximum connectivity. Just go ahead, enable. Redefine unlimited VPN, whatever, just X out, all right? X out of here. What you want to do is to tap on the icon at the top of the screen. This is it, the toggle button here. Just tap on it. and it's going to toggle on the Speedify VPN. Sorry. Now it's saying connecting. Allow Speedify to create a VPN connection. Just tap on always allow. Testing servers. Let's hold on. It's connecting. It says connected. Tap on OK. Now it has here Spain, Madrid. Now I want you to do something. There's something you have to do. So tap on this Spain, Madrid. Tap on it, and we are going to select. I want us to select Italy. Let's go with Italy. Please follow me. What I do. All right. So it's now on Italy Milano. So I want you to make sure it is on Italy Milano. You saw what I did when it switched. It was on Spain Madrid or whatever. So I had to tap on this space here and I put it on Italy Milano. All right. So once this is set up, just X out from here and go over to your Facebook app. I'm right inside of my Facebook profile right now. What I have to do is to scroll down to pages and then tap on pages, and then we are going to go to create. All right. We're going to create a new page and then click on get started and then type in the page name. Let's say Miss Fashion. Tap on next. Select category. Let's go with the fashion designer. Let's go with that. And then you can select as many category as you want and then tap on create here. Awesome. You have created your page. What best describes you? From here, you're going to upload your profile picture and everything. So when you keep uploading and start posting, your page health will start becoming good, excellent, and all of that. After creating your Facebook page with the VPN, all you have to do is to go back to the VPN and then you have to toggle it off. You can also delete the app. Unless you want to use it to create more pages, then you can leave it. But then you just have to switch it off. Whenever you want to use it, you can switch it on. Now, whenever you want to log into that page, you don't need a VPN again. All you have to do is just to get into the page, fill up every necessary information you need to fill up, and then start sending invites to people you want to send invite to come and like your page, start creating content on the page, and that is it. I use this method to create two different pages and they are still there up to today. So I'm telling you what I've tried and it's working. And you need to watch this video showing right now on the screen. In this video, I shared with you how you can monetize, like start making money from your Facebook account, from your Facebook page. So go ahead, click on this video right now on the screen, start watching it, and I will see you inside.